Mr. Scrooge just loves a bargain, like this great new holiday meal deal from Kentucky Fried Chicken.
What a deal.
10 pieces of finger-licking good chicken.
What a deal.
4 buttermilk biscuits, lots of mashed potatoes and gravy, all that fresh coleslaw, all at a special low price.
What a deal.
For a limited time only.
I knew there had to be a catch.
Get the holiday meal deal from Kentucky Fried Chicken today.
There's just one way,
One of a kind.
to describe our specialty.
It's genuine Colonel Sanders.
All you gotta say is original recipe.
Yeah.
America's favorite, bite after bite.
#1.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do it right
For you,
How would you describe the perfect chicken?
just one way.
Original recipe.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
A-doo-dah. Well, the boy genius. You trying to find out why Kentucky Fried Chicken is America's favorite chicken? Then pay attention, son. Folks just love going to the Colonel's because no one else makes chicken with that special blend of 11 herbs and spices. Any of this getting through to you, son? And of course, no one else's chicken is finger-licking good because nobody else knows the Colonel's secret formula. The secret formula! Kid's too smart for his own good.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
There's only one place for that original taste. Only one place, only one taste that's original. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
What a taste.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
That's the place.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
The original recipe. Oh, what a taste. Kentucky Fried Chicken. We do chicken right.
Carpooling it up?
Makes good sense.
Kentucky Fried Chicken for dinner?
Makes even better sense.
Why's that?
Because I know the Colonel serves a good meal. A real meal. A fresh quality chicken. And what's more, they love it.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried.
Boy, do they love it.
Tastes so nice, nice to feel. So good about a meal. So good about Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Last card, let's go to Chewy Chicken.
No way! My towel tastes better. Hey!
We got it right.
Original recipe!
Two chicken done right. The taste that says with just one bite.
Hey!
It's the one and only Kentucky Fried Chicken. We got it right. Two chicken done right.
Nobody does chicken like we do. Pressure cooked to squeeze the herbs and spices into every juicy bite.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, they do chicken right.
At Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do it right. We do chicken right.
Now, for just $9.99 at Kentucky Fried Chicken, you get 10 pieces of delicious fried chicken.
What? No mashed potatoes?
And a large order of mashed potatoes and a large gravy.
Oh, what about biscuits?
4 hot buttermilk biscuits.
You know, a salad would be nice.
And a large order of creamy coleslaw.
All right, close enough.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
The holiday family meal, just $9.99 at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Could you throw in a...
Pushing.
Come in for the holiday family meal. Offer ends January 2nd.
You know, a lot of guys would never stay home and babysit. And me? No problem. There's nothing to it. Besides, I like being in charge. And feeding him? Easy. Kentucky Fried Chicken. They have this great deal going. You get 10 pieces of original recipe chicken with all the fixings for just $9.99. I love this stuff. Hey, they're happy? I'm happy. It's the 10-piece meal deal at Kentucky Fried Chicken. I know what I'm doing.
Hamburger places think they can become chicken experts overnight. And even though they may make chicken nuggets, it's not that easy to get chicken right. At Kentucky Fried Chicken, our nuggets have our secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, so they taste great. In fact, people who said they've ever tried Kentucky nuggets and McDonald's chicken nuggets rated ours higher on taste. So try the nuggets from the chicken experts. Anyone else could be just winging it.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
When you're busy working all day, it's great coming home with a dinner that's ready.
Kentucky Fried Chicken and my favorite salads. What a meal.
You're a lifesaver, Colonel.
You mean my chicken is? Right.
There's nothing like it.
Thank you, Colonel.
Good chicken.
My partner and I were on our way to Kentucky Fried Chicken when I sensed something big going on.
Something big's going on, Sarge.
It's the 10 4-pack.
The 10 4-pack?
Would you stop repeating me? The 10 4-pack. See, it's 10 pieces of Kentucky Fried Chicken and 4 biscuits.
Careful, Sarge. Don't burn your trigger finger.
All for just $8.99.
That's a lot of chicken for $8.99.
An awful lot. I think we'd better take the 10 4-pack with us.
As evidence?
No, as dinner.
The 10 4-pack is back at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Delicious.
Awesome.
Great.
More?
Famous last words brought to you by the famous taste of Kentucky Fried Chicken.
At Kentucky Fried Chicken, we'd like you to know you're right.
You've got it right. The only chicken cooked fresh with the Colonel's 11 herbs and spices. Original recipe chicken.
You've got a right to crisp coleslaw made fresh right here.
And you've got a right to hot buttermilk biscuits. Every batch made from scratch.
You've got a right to chicken done right. Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
Hamburger places may be good at making hamburgers, but when they try to make chicken, it doesn't always fly. That's why I count on the chicken experts, Kentucky Fried Chicken. The Colonel's secret recipe makes their chicken tender, juicy, and downright delicious.
Get our $1.99 Super Saver Special with 2 pieces of chicken, potatoes, gravy, corn, and a buttermilk biscuit. Just $1.99 now at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
We had our show. I was a swan.
Really? Then you got a right to chicken done right.
I make it tender, juicy, every bite.
I make fresh, hot biscuits.
And tasty, fresh coleslaw.
You got it right to chicken done right.
Nobody makes chicken like we do with the Colonel's secret blend of herbs and spices.
It's finger looking good.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, we do chicken right.
Carpooling it up?
Makes good sense.
Kentucky Fried Chicken for dinner?
Makes even better sense.
Why's that?
Because I know the Colonel serves a good meal. A real meal. A fresh quality chicken. And what's more, they love it.
Kentucky Fried Chicken! Kentucky Fried
Boy, do they love it.
It's so nice, nice to feel. So good about a meal. So good about Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Who wants to go first?
You mean we actually say it?
Nothing tastes more like home than Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah. Welcome home. May I help you?
Good.
How about welcome home to Chicken Done Right?
There you go.
I got one. Make yourself at home. The coleslaw's fresh.
And the buttermilk biscuits are hot.
Nice to have you home.
You're never too far, so come as you are.
Welcome home.
Kentucky Fried Chicken is home.
I do one thing, do one thing for as long as I have, you get to be the best. Like Kentucky Fried Chicken. They do one thing, great chicken. They cook it up hot and tender like my music. I sing scat, they do that, like nobody else, right?
Kentucky Fried Chicken. They do chicken right.
Hey, where you going?
Going to eat.
I see. Pizza, huh?
Nope.
Burgers?
Nah, getting good Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Why Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Tell him, Dad.
Because the Colonel uses only fresh and grade A chicken.
Yeah, we're eating out, but we're eating right.
But what do the kids say?
All right!
Come on. It's so nice, nice to feel so good about a meal. So good about Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Wild thing, I think you move me.
There's been nothing like you before. Across the road for sure.
Hot and spicy drumettes from Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Wild thing!
Snack-sized chicken with a hot and spicy zing you've never had before.
Wild thing! The snack and party chicken, they go everywhere you do. Across the road for sure.
Wild thing, I think I love you.
No matter how things change or how we live today, the best things in life are done the original way. The good life keeps getting better, but we leave the best alone. Like the Colonel's original recipe always brings us right back home. Enjoy something original. Secret herbs and spices taste naturally better somehow. Enjoy something original. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Enjoy something original now. Enjoy something original.
Kentucky Fried Chicken original recipe. We've been doing chicken right for over 40 years. We're not going to change it now.
The original recipe, like it ought to be. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Enjoy something original now.
At Kentucky Fried Chicken, we'd like you to know your rights. You've got a right to the only chicken cooked fresh with the Colonel's 11 herbs and spices.
You've got a right to chicken cooked under pressure, to squeeze flavor into each juicy bite.
You've got a right to chicken that tastes so good, it could only be original recipe chicken.
Now, aren't you glad you know your rights?
You've got a right to chicken done right. Original recipe, we do chicken right.
There really is a Kentucky Fried Chicken school.
Yep, today we're making the Colonel's original recipe.
What have you learned?
Fresh chicken makes the best chicken.
And that we use 11 herbs and spices.
Oh, but that's the Colonel's secret. And special pressure cooking.
So it's always tender and juicy.
Looks like you've learned to make great chicken.
Only way to serve our customers right.
It's so nice, nice to feel so good about a meal. So good about Kentucky Fried Chicken.